bro. Just go out to them girls that be at the club, like, they going home and shit, like, you feel me? Like, what you talking about, though? So I be like, if you tryna get fucked, if you tryna get fucked, then baby, you should leave with us.
What's up?
Girl, you should leave with us. Cause if you tryna get fucked, if you tryna get fucked, then baby, you should leave with us. Girl, say you should leave with us.
Bitch, if you just tryna get fucked, you should just come to my fucking red pickup truck. Goddamn, baby, pick a buck. If you really want it, baby girl, you could probably pick us up. Like, bitch, like fucking lights off. I don't give a damn, my phone 5 just lights off. Nah, nigga, real talk, we can do things. I just wanna know what you got up in them blue jeans. Yeah, nigga, this ain't no motherfucking game. These niggas be talking shit like I'm a lion, like I'm tame. Nah, nigga, this is not no motherfucking new tricks. I ain't giving a damn, my phone 5 is ruthless.
If you tryna get fucked, if you tryna get fucked, then baby, you should leave with us. Girl, say you should leave with us.
What's up?
Cause if you tryna get fucked, if you tryna get fucked, baby, you should leave with us. Say you should leave with us. I'm tryna go to your crib, and I hope you swallow. I love the fucking way that you rock them apple bottoms. Girl, you looking good, and I like your fucking curves. They say you trifling, but I don't care what I heard. I wanna beat it up, I might go in raw. I get in that pussy, and I stand so tall. Ooh, I tell them girls they can suck my dick, nothing in their mouth, and I scream, baby, swallow it. I'm tryna handle this bitch. Come on, girl, yeah, I'm tryna feed your kids. It ain't tricking if they got it. That rich the rich say, and them niggas mad, so I tell them don't hate. Cause if you tryna fuck, baby, if you tryna fuck, then you should leave with us, baby. Yeah, you should leave with us.
What's up?
And if you tryna fuck, baby, if you tryna fuck, then you should leave with us.
Going back in.
Girl, you should leave with us.
Listen, I'm going in like I just came out the vagina. I probably got pretty bitches somewhere up in China. Niggas ain't fucking with me like Shauna White. I don't give a damn, nigga, we can have this night. We could probably go to the church and get some candlelight. These niggas ain't fucking with me open pussy up like Candace Bright. Nah, nigga, I ain't giving a damn. Kazam Kazoo, I be spitting shit probably higher than the fucking zoo. I probably dip with my canoe. What's real true? I don't give a fuck, my 4-5 gon' feel through. Nah, nigga, ain't no fucking hole in one. It really feel like I'm the fucking golden son.
Yeah, if you tryna fuck,
What's up?
baby, if you tryna fuck, then you should live with us. Girl, you should live with us. If you tryna fuck, baby, if you tryna fuck, then you should live with us.
Or the rest of you cowards die slow.
Girl, you should live with us.